You will need a magazine, pencil or marker, a ruler, scissors, a sheet of paper, and tape. Step 1, measure and cut shapes. They also look cool without measuring, but here is a helpful guide. Now we're cutting out the Polaroid frame. Sped it up a little bit. Now you can use this as a stencil to make different colored frames. Next, let's cut out what we want to frame. Our image is still a little big for this frame, so before the next step, we will cut it to fit the frame. Make sure there is enough space on all sides to put tape so we can start to assemble. Step 2, assemble! Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and make art!